Today, lovelies, we pay homage to our long line of delicious soups and add a new excellent recipe sure to become a household favorite using one of my preferred ingredients, peas. Seriously? Peas experience a lot of hate, and it's not right. Peas are delicious, and we should give them the love they deserve. So today, we're going to make peace with peas with my delicious pea soup. Join me, won't you? First, ingredient prep. Chop 2 large onions. These can be yellow, white, or sweet, depending on your preference. Next, chop 2 large green bell peppers. You can also use yellow ones. I don't recommend you use red ones for this. Place a large pot over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon each of vegetable oil and butter to the pot. Add the chopped onion and pepper, and sauté until soft and translucent. Add 4 cups of chicken stock to the pan and bring to a boil. Cover and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the vegetables are soft. Then add 1 pound of frozen peas. Simmer another 5 minutes. Then add 4 cups of kale that's been washed and the stems removed. Don't boo me again, I promise the soup will not taste like kale. Cover and simmer another 10 minutes. Then ladle your soup into a blender and blend until the soup reaches your desired smoothness. Pour the soup into another container and taste for seasoning. And express your surprise that pea soup could be so good. That's really nice. It has lots of flavor. Wow, okay. That's so good, actually. I think Chris might even eat that. Serve your pea soup and garnish with sour cream or bacon bits as you prefer. Enjoy your newly found love for peas, and I'll see you again next time.